Hi, welcome to Rotten Rebel and yet another fragrance haul. This is a Zara Fragrance Haul, and like always, my partner in crime when it comes to fragrance hauls, Zara
Solomon Fragrance? What?
Sandra Solomon Fragrance.
Do you know
Zara.
who I am?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, hi.
Sorry, yeah. Rewinding. Sandra Solomon Fragrance!
Yay! Hey everyone!
Here's the thing, I want us to try these to sort of finally settle if Zara is good or bad. Because 5 of these 6 fragrances are created in collaboration with Jo Malone, which should make them good.
Yeah, I guess
At least
so.
I hope. So without further ado, let's start with the first one, and the first one is Fleur the Patchouli. These packages actually look a lot better than Zara fragrances usually look.
They look amazing.
So the notes are patchouli, peony and gaiac wood.
Oh, so there's 2 in here. It's this big one and a small one.
Yeah, I believe this is a 90 ml and this is a 15 ml. So this was actually quite nice. So you have one like a travel one and a full bottle. Please do spray it on.
I would say a bit fruity, a bit floral, kind of green, maybe slightly woody. Overall, a pleasant scent.
Yes, I agree. This one reminds me of something. So it's floral, it's a bit woody. I like it. I'm not sure I would wear it that much. But straight away, I'm thinking this one would be pretty cool if I would use it for layering.
Yes.
So like using it as a base and then maybe add vanilla or something exciting on top.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Is it a like? Is it maybe? Is it a...
No, I think it's a like. It's not a massive, huge like. It's a like. I'm not so into patchouli-focused fragrances, but this is a patchouli I actually think is pretty good because it's not so heavy, it's not so vintage, and it has a fruity side.
Yeah, and I'm gonna say that this one actually smells a bit niche. Next up we have Amalfi Sunray, and what a name. I hope this is going to be a fabulous summer fragrance. Please do open it up. And we have orange blossom, mandarin orange and bergamot. How do you feel about this one?
Creamy citrus. This is really good.
Yeah.
You can definitely feel that the one created this is someone who knows how to make fragrances.
Yes, definitely.
It smells really good.
I mean, it's not a complicated kind of scent.
No.
It's bright, it's fresh, it's a bit floral, it's a bit citrusy. It's not sharp in any way, it's pretty smooth. I like it a lot, and I think for the price, it was really nice. Now, obviously, I have not tried the performance, so I don't know, but the scent itself is really nice.
Yes, and if this performs great, I am going to be jealous of you having a bottle, because I think that this is a wonderful fragrance with citrus. I really like that creamy side, and now in the dry down, the white floral orange blossom comes in even more, and it is beautiful.
I like this one a lot. This was a great scent. Like 2 thumbs up from me, how?
Yes, 2 thumbs up.
Next up we have Zara Vetiver Pamplemousse. Please do open it up. The notes are grapefruit, mandarin orange and vetiver. So it seems like they took some sort of a minimalistic approach to the blends.
Yeah.
Used quite a few notes in each blend. Interesting.
So I'm not so into vetiver focused fragrances, but I really do love grapefruit and mandarin orange. So I have high hopes for this one anyway.
And I like it. So I can't pick up the vetiver, but it feels like sort of the grapefruit sort of balances up the vetiver in a really nice way. So this one to me, at least currently, is not overly green or vetiver heavy.
No.
I like it.
And I would say that instead of mandarin orange, I would guess like bitter orange, because this smells like you take a bite of a mandarin or a bite of that zest.
I think you are correct in that this is really zesty.
Yeah.
Almost sort of a sparkling. I think I enjoy this quite a lot.
Yeah.
Once again, performance, I do not know, but I truly hope that the performance will be at least above average with this one.
Yeah.
I like it, and I'm not sure if I actually even might enjoy it more than Amalfi Sunray. There's something cool about it, but yeah, I like it a lot. How do you feel about it?
I think I like it just as much as Amalfi Sunray.
Next up we have Zara Fleur d'Orange. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, which I probably did. Apologies. So the notes are neroli, orange blossom and ylang ylang. So once again, a 3-note sort of a structure to the blend.
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
And also something citrusy and something floral.
Yeah, once again something citrusy and
yeah.
floral.
This is not so citrusy. This is more white floral and maybe just a hint of something that reminds me of something boozy.
Oh, really light,
Yeah.
really bright.
Yes.
I pick up the orange blossom. It smells nice. I like it.
It's like a creamy white floral one with something citrusy in it.
Yeah, something bright,
Yeah.
something floral.
Yeah, very elegant.
Very elegant, really easy to wear.
Yeah.
And this is a scent that most people most likely are going to enjoy on you. I think I enjoy it, even though it feels super light already. And you sprayed quite a lot.
Yeah, I did.
Which sort of makes me think that this one is not going to be a high performer, but the scent overall is quite nice. I'm giving this one a thumbs up.
Yeah, same to me.
Next up we have Zara Waterlily Tea Dress.
Okay.
Please do open that
I like
one
the name.
up. Yeah. So we have bergamot and mint. I love mint. I'm constantly on the hunt for the perfect mint scent. And then we have musk. So once again, a 3-note structure. I truly hope this is going to be a banger. Come on, Zara. Come on, Jo Malone. Bring it on.
Wow.
Whoa.
This smells like peeled banana.
Okay. I get where you're coming from. I get what you're saying. I hear what you're saying, and I understand it. It does smell a bit sort of, at least sort of initially, like a
Yeah.
peeled banana with something else on it.
And I think you should give this to me. And there's actually a message here too. Soft jazz music plays in the background, picnics on the lawn, a vintage tea dress floats by in the gentle breeze.
Ah, okay. So this one is, now that it sort of has settled down a bit, you can pick up the mint. There's some citrusy thingy going on. It's bright, it's really light.
Yeah.
It's not a complicated scent. It does not blow me away, but it's definitely something that is so easy to wear that will most likely make you smell great in pretty much any kind of situation.
Yes.
Obviously, this one is more suited towards the warmer months of the year. But I mean, you could use this to a business meeting or to the gym or something like that, and
Yeah.
you're going to smell amazing.
I would say wear it any time when you want to smell white floral and like a peeled banana, and you will be fabulous.
Okay. So yeah, this one was interesting. What are you gonna give this one? 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, something in the middle?
I mean, I say peeled banana in the best possible way.
Okay.
It's a good thing
Ah,
in
okay.
this case. So
Okay.
this actually gets, I think, two
Whoa.
thumbs up. And this is very different from everything I have in my fragrance collection, but I would wear this definitely on a warm summer day, a dress that is like flowing in the wind. Beautiful.
Sounds good, and I enjoy it, and I'm gonna give this one a solid thumbs up. This is a really nice scent. It doesn't blow me away, but there's something about it that sort of keeps luring me in and wanting me to spray it on. So next up we have Zara Warm Black. Now I could, please do open it up. Now I could be wrong, but I do not think Jo Malone is behind this scent. It does say Zara Men's Essential, so I believe this one has been around for quite some time, but I could be wrong. So the notes are ginger, vanilla and tonka bean. So that's
Okay,
interesting. Yet
sounds
again,
good.
we have a simple note structure.
And we have, whoa, we have something that I think they have tried to go after tobacco vanille with.
Ooh, yeah. Oof, yeah.
And they did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
This is good. I can get the whiffs from here.
So usually when I try out clones, which I guess we could call this one, right? Because it's super similar to tobacco vanille.
Yeah, it's so similar.
They are usually only similar for a brief period of time.
Yeah.
And then they sort of transition into something that does not feel similar to the original. But
Yeah.
this one still feels like tobacco vanille. The
Yeah.
strength of it seems really good as well, because I can feel it clearly.
Yeah, and I would say that, yeah, when it dries down, it moves further away from tobacco vanille and the saffron becomes really prominent.
Yeah, I agree. So quite quickly, this one has turned away from being tobacco vanille
Yeah.
to something else. I think this is a great release.
Yes, definitely. And I could see the price, and the price on this one was just ridiculously low for a
super
bottle.
cheap. I like this one a lot, and I'm gonna say this: if you enjoy tobacco vanille make sure you get your hands on this one because this one was a great cheapie. How do you feel about this one?
Yes, I would say definitely if you like that kind of fragrances, this is a no-brainer.
Yeah.
For almost no money, and you get something that you can just spray on, not thinking about the cost.
So yeah, 2 big thumbs up from me.
From me too.
So we usually wrap our fragrance hauls up by choosing our favorite or favorites. So which one out of these is your absolute favorite?
I mean, all of them smells really good, and I mean, Jo Malone knows how to make good fragrances, but I always appreciate a great cheapie because not everyone wants to or can spend a lot of money on fragrances, and I always want to promote the ones that are cheap and really good. So I'm going with Warm Black.
I completely agree. This one smells like, at least smelled like tobacco vanille for like a minute or two before it shifted away. It smells great, it's super cheap. Get it. So I want to know how you feel about Zara fragrances. Have you tried any of these? And what's your overall impression of Zara fragrances? Are they good? Are they bad? Comment and let me know. Make sure you drop a like on this video. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you head on over to Sandra's Warm Fragrance channel. I'm going to link to her channel in the description below. Sub to her, sub to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.